can check out how spacious the living and dining area is. So this is your spacious kitchen area, and this is the most beautiful room and the spacious room in your house. So hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Crescent by Candor Developers and Builders, which is located at Lingampally, Hyderabad. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel and these are the towers. So once you have a look at the towers, you can just notice that the project is almost completed and they are giving possession by the end of this year itself. So if you are the one who is looking for nearly possession, then this project suits you perfectly. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which can result you in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. And the project land parcel is being constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of total 5 towers. Each tower of 4 basement ground plus 50 floors, having 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies in this project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like 62,000 square feet of clubhouse, amphitheater, turf, table tennis, kids play area, swimming pool, half basketball court and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located beside St. Maria International School in Lingampally, Hyderabad. And let me show you the connectivity and neighborhood of the project. So this site you can connect towards Gachibowli and this road will take you towards Chandanagar. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Lingampally railway station in 2 minutes, Gachibowli in just 10 minutes. DLF is also 10 minutes away, and even you can connect to ORR in 10 minutes from the project. Even Sharad City Mall is within 10 minutes from the project. So this is your 3 BHK of 2540 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter, you can check out how spacious the living and dining area is. And this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set over here in front of the TV unit. If you move in further, here's your dining area. And you can check out the space that they are providing is much more spacious. You can easily set your long dining table over here, which has a connected balcony. Here comes the connected balcony with beautiful view. That has anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, which is 3-side covered and with iron railing. So you can have a sip of coffee with this beautiful view. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. Now moving further towards your kitchen area, and here's your puja room. So let me show you how spacious the puja room is that they are providing you. Now about the kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area, which you can check out with a beautiful interior work done with cabinets, platform. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this is your utility area, the massive utility area. The beautiful view again, and this is how Hyderabad looks from your 38th floor with anti-skid flooring and provision for machine. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house, and other 2 bedrooms exactly in front of me. We'll be moving towards your bedroom number 1 on my right hand side. And here's your bedroom number 1, which is much more spacious with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here you can add up your wardrobe over the side, and your attached washroom. So this bedroom has attached washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2. So exactly in front of this bedroom comes the bedroom number 2. This is the entrance, and once you enter, again you can check out the bed space. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room with wardrobe space, and here's your attached washroom. Attached washroom with anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area is separated with a tile drop with the sink provided inside the washroom itself. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, so just follow me. One thing to mention over here, they are providing you with 11 feet of ceiling height. Now just behind me is your master bedroom, but before moving in, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So the wait is over and your real masterpiece is over here. And this is the most beautiful room and the spacious room in your house. So this is the huge bed space, even a TV unit space over here, which has a connecting balcony. Again, you can check out a beautiful view. So this balcony will be 3-side covered with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring and iron railing as well. Now, let's move further to check the rest of the house. And here's one more plus point with a walk-in wardrobe with a perfect storage area. Huge wardrobe space. Walk-in wardrobe attached with washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Kendior Developers and Builders project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, you do not have to go here and there. It's all mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.